Check it out. There's a little puddle frog hanging out.
Right in the water.
Oh, that's right. This thing can get wet. Here he is. Boop. Hey, Mr. Frog. He's not in a hurry to go anywhere either.
Bait.
Yeah. Here he goes.
I had one. Huh? No, I had a fish. It looked like a little trout of some kind. Fish on. Jeez. Stole my bait. Hi guys, Ron here. Got my daughter with me. We're out on a camping expedition this weekend. You saw that. Anyway, we decided to do a little fishing, and came over here to one of these hidden ponds, and we're seeing if there's any fish in here. So far, I've had 2 bites, and I've had fish on, but I don't know what they were. And should be interesting though, because anything could be in here. Who knows? Fish on. Fish on. Look at this beautiful little trout. Wow. Wow, Melissa, come check out this little trout. Beautiful little brookie. Wow. You just don't get those anywhere. Look at that. Oh, you got one too.
This guy.
Look at that beautiful trout. Lovely, beautiful little native brook trout out of here.
So cool.
I'm going to put him right back.
Yep.
Here you go. You get him off?
Almost. It's barely on there.
It's barely on there, but it's on there, right?
Yep.
All right.
There we go.
Wow.
Cool dudes in there.
It's like it's chucked full of them, right?
Yeah.
You get out there? If I'm in your way, just yell at me. I'll get out of your way. There's one fish on. Look at here. Oh, he took my bait, maybe?
Oh, in the tree.
One came up there as soon as it... Oh, just give it a couple good twits and see if you can get it out. Here, let me see.
Try from your angle.
Here, see what you can do with that. Oh, looks like you're stuck.
That's all there is to it.
Okay, I got it off.
Oh, good.
See what you can do. I hope it got out.
Oh, good. I didn't get it stuck.
I was gonna say, man,
Same spot.
don't tell me you got the.
Trade.
Look, I got it. You're gonna have to get some.
Oh,
I don't think I brought anything with me. That
okay.
you'd have to go back to the car and get.
I can't believe I got it in the same spot.
No, when you put that down there, you got one.
See if he'll actually bite on it. Getting robbed.
You see him?
Yep.
Nice one there, huh? Yep. I like that. Oh, guys, that's a beautiful little native brookie. Wow, it's gorgeous. coming back. There's a nice one, Melissa. Yep, look. That'd be one to take home for the frying pan almost, huh? If you're so inclined to eat one of these. Look at that, guys. I think. Woohoo! Back to where he came. We can get another one out of there. Yeah, I got one too. Hey, we doubled up that time. Yep. Only mine is a green sunfish. You ever see a green sunfish? Come over here, I'll show them to you. Look at that, guys. Huh? You ever see a more beautiful green sunfish than that? Wow. That thing is pretty. Slaunchy. But he made good catfish bait. See him?
Yeah.
See him? The green sunfish. He's got some different colors in him, huh? Not your everyday sunfish. Daisy picking.
Hi, Daisy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pretty ones. Yeah. Fish on, guys. Got a trout. Nice brookie. Look at that one, Melissa. Told you that was a trout over there. Wow. Prettier than the ones bigger than the ones we were catching in that little pool. We got this one in the creek. Woohoo! He's gone.